Okay, the next part of paragraph 1, and you can tell we're still in paragraph 1 because it's still got the orange outline of the box, is to state our claim. This is the thesis that we are going to be supporting throughout the entire essay. This informs the reader of the writer's stance regarding the topic. We have to make sure that we include a preview of the 3 main reasons that support the claim in the order they're going to be presented. You don't need to go into detail, though. That's what the other paragraphs are for. What I'm talking about with giving a preview of the 3 main reasons, I'll just show you on my NoodleTools. Okay, so I've got my reason that you should support my charity, which has a couple of note cards on it. I've got my second reason, which is the charity's finances, which has a few note cards on it. And then I've rebutted my counterclaim, and that is technically a third reason in favor of the charity. So what I need to do here is make a thesis statement. Everyone's thesis statement is going to sound pretty similar. It's going to say something like, Possibilities is a charity worthy of support, or the Red Cross deserves support, or the World Wildlife Federation or Foundation is a worthwhile charity. They're all going to sound something like that. So possibilities, and you know what, now I might give it its official name again, just because like this is like official, even though I've been referring to it just as possibilities. All right, so Possibilities Humane Society of Greater Akron is a charity worthy of support. And now I'm going to name my 3 reasons. So in order for me to name my 3 reasons, I just need to, this is just for my own self, I'm going to delete this in a second. So my note card reason was that it's a no-kill shelter. My financial reason, which this will probably be the same for almost all of us, is you're going to say something about, you're going to make a comment about its good finances. It is responsible financially, or you might even say it has impeccable finances, or you might say the way it spends its money is incredible, something like that. And then my third one, which is the rebuttal to my counterclaim, that is, without donations, animal-based charities cannot exist. Okay, so now that I have those, this will help me. Possibilities Humane Society of Greater Akron is a charity worthy of support. First of all, it is a no-kill shelter. On top of that, it is financially responsible. Lastly, without donations, animal-based charities cannot exist. So, and now I'm done with this. Get rid of that. And here, this is my thesis statement. Here's another way of doing it. I'm going to you wouldn't do this on your paper. This is just for demonstration's sake. I could tie this together so that it's not 3 or 4 different sentences. Is worthy of support because it is a no-kill shelter, comma, it is financially responsible, comma, and without donations and will be. So now I've strung it together into one sentence. There are many ways of doing this. It's not like there's one right way, but whichever one I choose, this thesis statement will be repeated and proven throughout my paper. Now I'm done with paragraph 1 and I'm ready for paragraph 2. That's going to be a separate video, so be sure to look for that before you go on.